If you want to boost your engagement on Instagram and potentially go viral, you must be on Reels. This is a video where I'm going to be sharing with you a very simple way to use so that you can generate your first reel. Instagram Reels, how can you use Canva to produce amazing Reels? So the first step is that you're going to find a format for Instagram stories. Canva is going to give you amazing ideas. So assume that you got this, for example, and then what you need to do is that you need to know that Reels is actually going to only allow you to upload a video format. So you need to convert an Instagram story image into a video format. And for that, all you need to do is to add a sticker. So obviously you're going to be playing a little bit more with this, but for the sake of this video, I want to show you. You come here, download this as a video. It's going to prepare the design. And then once you have that, you're going to save it. I have an iPhone, so I hope that you can follow this. And then you're going to come here, go to your profile, hit the plus sign, create, reel. And then you're going to be finding the 5-second video that you created on Canva. I'm going to stop here for just a second, okay? So these 5 seconds is because I actually did not adjust the length of the video. But Instagram Reels is going to allow you to add more videos. Look at this. To add more videos into your feed, right? Like you see like on the top left, you see the red thingy there. That means that I can potentially add more content if I want to. So if I, for example, I want to keep extending this particular reel, I can come here and add this one more time, right? So once I know what is going to be the content, I'm going to go and select my audio. So for the sake of simplicity,
and it went like,
I add this, and I'm going to go now into editing. Okay, very, very, very important. This is going to be basically if you want to add another scene, basically, because you see that at the top bar, you can see that you can add more scenes to this particular reel. You don't have to if you don't want to. So let's say that I'm ready. I don't need more stuff. I'm going to go to edit. Make sure that you just put the volume down. I don't know if you can still hear it, because you're going to be here for just a little bit, depending on how fancy you want to go with your reels, right? So if you want to add text, let's say, I'm going to be doing test number 1, and I'm going to add this, right? Notice how this is going to come here, and here is going to have this menu where you can add the duration of this particular tag that I'm adding. See how the tag disappears as this particular feature, right? Like this bar goes off. Now, if I want another one, I'm going to add 2. So test 2. If I want to add another one, let's say I want to do like a clock style. I put a new tag, but just keep in mind, every new tag is going to assume by default that it's going to be for the full video. So you need to kind of see here, kind of using sometimes your finger, like you need to adjust those 2 tags, right? So test number 1, it's coming here, right? And it ends about here. So test number 2 is going to come here. And the way that I can test if this is working good, I need to play the video since the top. Okay, test 1 is coming in. Oh, test 2 is coming out. Okay, so I can move a little bit here. Okay, good. Flashing it. So those videos that you see with all of those flashing things, they are repeating this process over and over and over and over. Sometimes if you want to be very elaborate, you are going to spend a while here. So, as a basic, you can just put up to 3. And also you can combine adding like give. So for example, if you have a sale, you can have here like, sale and shop. This can come here. Everything that you add into your reel, it's going to come here by default, assuming that the duration is going to be the full term, right? So you always want to come here, and let's say that I want to put this here. And if you want to add your website, you can. So that will be adding another one. and you put here your website. So once this is ready, the music is playing and everything. So you're going to be sharing. And you write your caption, and you're going to be adding some hashtags here. You can always change the cover, and the cover can be actually one cover that you have from a picture that you have created beforehand. So go brand it on the cover, especially, Dragonfly. You guys are at e-commerce. People are expecting to see something beautiful here. Stay on brand, stay on color with your feed, because remember that when you share the things that you share on your feed, they're going to go to your feed basically as well. So for example, my reels are here on the reels tab, but if I go to my feed, you're going to see the reels as well, right? So, you need to kind of keep that in mind and keep the coordination. For example, here, I made sure that I was wearing something pink to kind of keep the coordination in a way that is a little bit some presentable. So I would say try to do your reel, use Canva, add a sticker that's going to turn a story into a video format, save the video format, upload it using reels, and then practice. Practice is going to be making perfection. Very, very important. You need to enjoy this process. If you don't, then this is going to be something that you rather pay somebody on Fiverr that can edit your reels very pretty. There's going to be always somebody in high school that is doing anything right now and is going to love to help you to do something that you hate, but that person love it, and then you can scale in your business. You don't have to do all the work for your business, especially this monkey work. I'm actually talking to my team. I'm going to start outsourcing all of these crazy things, especially because I have some ideas that I want to create for more creative content. So you don't have to keep doing everything yourself. Please don't. Okay? Any questions? Let me know. So that's it. Tell me what you think. Leave me your comment below. And if you have any questions about boosting engagement and achieving the virality status on Instagram, please let me know. I'm more than happy to create more content for you based on what you want to learn. Bye for now.